Hey traders, so today is 15th of November 2018. So I'm just shorting the market at around 19, so the market did drop to 7 ticks or 8 ticks, maximum is 9 ticks, so it looks okay at this moment. So hopefully the price will go further down. So I've put a stop limit somewhere at 32. It should be fine. So this is my entry. The price did slip uh, 2 ticks if I'm not mistaken, and there's a nearest low. Hopefully the price can break through this one to the downside, so I'm expecting around 30 ticks or 40 ticks in profit. So let's wait, maybe it will take around 30 minutes to reach there. So I will pause this video for a while and we'll continue and resume back once there is a big move. So at this moment, oh, it almost break the nearest low. This is the nearest low, so price already breakout. So the price keep continuing down. So as you can see, one moment, stuck high, platform unresponsive. So 320, so I will exit the market. So 320 in profit, 330 in profit, so it's good. So I'm closing at 86, so which is my entry at 19. So 20, 30, 33, so it's 33 ticks. Yeah, 330 in profit. So things looks good. Okay, we continue live again during US session. Thank you. Bye bye.